Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Proton Mail account from your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to sign in or log into your Proton Mail account from your computer, you first have to open any of your browsers on your device. I'm opening the Chrome browser here. After opening the Chrome browser, simply open the site of Proton Mail. From there, you will get this sign in or create a free account option. Just simply click into this sign in button here. After coming into this sign in tab, you just simply have to put your email or username into the box at the top. Then enter your password into the second box. After entering the email or password, click on this Keep Me Signed In button if you want to keep your account signed in whenever you open the Proton Mail site. And after entering the email or username and password, simply click on this sign in button down here. After doing these very simple steps, your Proton Mail account will successfully be logged in. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.